Hello, myself Sonal Ramakrishna. Here, basically, we are discussing about one topic, uh, that is city creation. Basically, in this, basically, we are talking about the. This is actually 12th number solution, basically, which is connected with the 20 percentage error of the education, and that is 100% there. Basically, the creation itself basically says that basically there is a error. Basically, the Asian land basically which is separated, the American land which is separated, the European land basically which is separated, that is separated actually. Reason is the set of task is going to happen, and while doing this task basically anything can happen anytime basically. So just see basically within second basically the land gets separates basically. You will not believe basically within second basically the land gets separates. Reason, anything basically can happen anytime. So this is automatic system, or basically this somebody is watching that basically, because automatic system basically it's not possible basically, but little bit automatic system basically will be there basically for this checking basically. That is the land which is getting separated, when they basically this land gets separate, and when that basically the 100 plane get crash in the mountain, Mount Everest. And basically why Mount Everest name basically is given, that I don't know. Then basically Himalaya mountain, here basically it's Himalaya mountain, and there basically it is Mount Everest. So you can just imagine the dangerous thing basically which currently is happening. So one of the person told that basically who is the safest country, safest side basically. Then he told that basically that also need to check here basically. That basically is everybody is checking, na, basically satellite groups are basically checking only, na, basically if they are separating the India, sorry, the Asian land basically, what are the dependencies which happening in the Asia land, and if a European land basically separating, what European land basically gets dependency, that basically is energy level dependency. That's not monetary level dependency, that is energy level dependency. Because monitor basic money basically that's government hand, na, basically they can print anytime basically, but World Bank basically is controlling each and every stuff also basically. So World Bank basically assume that where is that World Bank basically. Few people says that it's in South Africa, few people says that basically it's in USA, few people says it's in UK basically. So like that basically also things basically are there basically. So like this one of the person told that basically somebody is doing this basically, reason is he want to check anything something basically, that what are the dependencies which basically happens. This also is like that basically, when 24 hours basically for a few millisecond basically one person die basically, every person dies. Die means he basically gets into the death mode basically. That basically that computer was basically not able to track that, na, basically. Computer basically is handling each and every data of the human basically, what he is doing, what activity he is doing in night basically, how many time he is fucking in night basically, how many time basically is watching the videos, how many time basically is watching the .NET video, how many time basically is having the project management video, how many time basically is having the this video, that video, how many time basically is writing the project management plan, how many time basically is watching the ideas, how which type of idea basically is getting in the mind in night time, that everything basically they are tracking. But this basically for millisecond basically how many people basically is dying, that basically they can't check basically. Why? Because they don't have the control basically. Reason, computer basically is connected with set of power supply basically. The set of power supply data basically, the power basically up to level they have basically, up to that level only basically they can check, na. So the death mode basically, death data basically, that is the death blood cells basically, that basically is in separate power supply data basically in universe basically. So whenever the death basically happens, that time basically they know, the people who are controlling the earth planet, they know that basically the power supplies with the computer groups are handling the basic, sorry, they are controlling each and every human body types basically, human body cells basically, human body energy basically. That time basically they don't do this activity basically. Or basically it might possible that basically whenever they are doing this each and every 24 hours death mode basically, each and every people basically, that time the power mode basically they only basically gets changed basically, and that basically the power supply information group basically, that is the nuclear power company group basically, they can't track that basically. Reason basically, they are universe groups are basically allocating the power supply na basically. For example, one person told that basically whenever basically the Asia land gets separate basically, okay, that time basically the 100 plane get crash in Himalaya, 100 plane, that's basically everything basically the political people know basically. This everything basically the political people knows basically, that 100 plane get crash, 100 plane get crash in the Everest basically, that everything basically they know basically. But when crash happens basically, that they don't know basically. That basically might be USA or Canada basically group might be knowing basically. That might be possible because big software level things basically are controlled with the Canadas and Chinas and Russia na basically. This was also one of the verification basically reason of the lockdown basically, that in lockdown basically they have done this verification also, that how many basically people knows that basically how many planes are working, sorry, how many planes are not working actually, how many planes are working also you can say, because power supply basically sometime gets activate, few software companies data basically power supply that basically activates from the plane basically. So how many plane basically are running, how many people basically knows. Lots of people say that basically lockdown basically the not a single plane was flying basically, but it was flying basically, it was not like that basically it was not flying, it was flying basically, it was 100% flying basically. Reason, the software was basically getting checked basically, was checking the each and every information, that how many people knows that how many plane is flying where in which location. That was also the one of the verification which was done in the corona lockdown. So this was who basically, which country basically might have done this. One of the people says that basically this might be this type of activity only Canada people do basically. One of the person told that basically this type of activity only Chinese people can do. One of the person told that this type of activity I think Sheikh, that is Dubai group basis, sorry, UAE group basically can do, that is Saurashtra group. One of people told that basically no, yeah, that is not possible. One of the people told that this type of activity who can do here basically. Then he told that USA can do. Then it was my. Then one of the person told that basically the NASA and ISRO basically group basically become one and they can do basically, that is USA and India basically. Then that means basically the world creator are basically from the USA and India basically. One of the person told this also basically. One of the person told this also, that the creator of the world basically is he basically from USA and India basically. That also basically one of the person told this basically. So one of the person told that basically this is also basically possible, that somebody might have checked the how many planes are running in which place basically. Due to that basically somebody might have tracked that 100 plane basically is 100% sorry 98% getting crash in Himalaya and Everest daily basically. So one of the person told that basically how this basically is possible here basically, because all the data science project experts people basically we have already captured it, right? Basically we have already, whenever basically they were doing the they were getting the training basically, that time only basically from the base of the marks we have already tracked them basically, that how many people know how to what level, up to what level they can reach, that basically we have the tracking, right? Basically each and every institute in the world basically we are keeping camera basically, and from that basically we are tracking it, that basically how many people are getting how many marks. From that basically we can track, from that we have tracked that basically the how many people are getting how many marks. According to that basically we have shifted basically them, and few people are basically in USA, few people are in Switzerland, few people are basically in Singapore, few people basically are in USA, few people are in UK, few people basically are in Dubai, few people are basically in Italy, few people are basically in Ajman, few people basically are in Saudi Arab, few people basically are in Nepal, few people basically are in London. So like this basically we have taken each and every people basically, and few people basically are in India, that is in Mumbai city basically, which is the heart of the India. Whatever they basically say, entire India basically they do. For example, if they say that basically this person is not supposed to get money, then basically nobody gives the money basically to them. So we have taken each and everything basically. Yeah. That is not possible basically. In next video basically we will see what is each and everything basically which is possible.